Hi everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Fendi haul or my Fendi unboxing. This is my birthday haul. I'm so excited to bring you these unboxings, and today we've just got home from Fendi. I went in for my birthday. I made an appointment a couple of weeks ago with my sales associate Sophia. She is amazing. She is at the Queen's Plaza store in Brisbane, and I have been buying bags with her for a while, and she just gives the best service. And she had been sending me a few texts showing certain bags that I wanted, so I just wanted to give her a shout out. And she had the lovely Kelly with her today helping me, so it was a really good day going through bags and celebrating my birthday. And they gave me some lovely flowers, which I really appreciate, and we had some champagne, and it was just the best day. So if you're in Brisbane and you just even want to have a look at bags, just contact one of the girls and they will be more than happy to show you around. So let's do the little items first. So I have 3 unboxings today, and I have my dogs here, Poppy and Belle. Poor Belle, they've just been to doggy daycare. It's all right, darling. And we've just picked them up, so Belle takes a while to settle down, don't you? You have to roll over my lounge, darling. It's all right. And Poppy there is always the more relaxed one, so Belle pretty much is the more sensitive, anxious one, and Poppy obviously doesn't worry her. Okay, let's get back to the unboxing. You're not here for the dogs, are you? But there are some of my viewers that love my dogs, so thank you for always commenting on Belle and Poppy, because they're my fur babies. Okay, stop raving, Ada, let's go back to it. Okay, let's go for this little box. I'm not too sure what's in this, but let's have a look. Oh yeah, so the box and the bag, this was an order from when I got my little card holder. Is that what you call it? A card holder just before Christmas. Hubby bought me just a little Christmas gift, and I actually ordered this at the same time. Couldn't get my size, so she actually had to order it in. So it has, can't even talk, has just come in. So excited. So I got, does it say what it is? It's a belt. Obviously you can see it's a belt. Just want to see if it's got, it's just a belt. It's a 10. I thought it might have a code or something, but probably does, but I don't know what that is. Anyway, I got the tan belt with the F on. The reason I wanted this is I have a black belt that I use all the time. I don't wear belts a lot, but I sort of like this thickness or even thinner. And I saw this at Fendi last time, and I didn't have a really good tan belt, but the reason I love it as well is it's reversible. And so I love that it's like sort of the white on one side and it's the tan on the other. So this, I'm sure, will be in my closet or my wardrobe for many years, and I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this with, you know, styling my certain outfits. So that I feel we've just got home from Fendi, so I think I'm still really excited. So let's put that one away, will we, Belle? Have you settled down now? You settled down? You tired now? So the next one comes in a little bag again. Small box. And this one is something I've wanted for a while. Is it very practical? Maybe not, but I just wanted this in my collection. So if you check out Dale's Addiction, Dale from her channel has one of these as well, and I loved her, so I just decided I needed to have one as well. I don't understand when they do these black bags versus the other bags, but anyway, it's a cute little bag. So I got the Nano Baguette. How cute is she? How cute is she? Now, one of the reasons I got this in black, because I don't buy a lot in black, I do have black bags, but one of the reasons I wanted to get this in black is, and I don't want to insult anyone, I do not like a lot of handbag accessories and scarves, and I don't say no to it, but I dress in a lot of color and print, and I feel I need to keep my bag a bit more simplistic. So they were showing me this can go on a belt, this can go on a bag, but I actually got this to wear at night time, so that's why I wanted the black. Just to wear, to put my credit card in, a lipstick, or, you know, just to go out and crossbody it and just wear it. And I just thought it's so cute. So, let me just open it. And this is what I love about it, because if I can untangle her, just get that out of the way, has a chain that is quite long, which means, let me just untangle it. Which means I can crossbody her and wear it like that, and if I ever did want to wear it on a belt, I could. So I'm really happy to have this in my collection, because I didn't feel like my Baguette collection, it's not complete, but I just think unless I've got a nano, I just don't feel complete. So I'm really happy to have that in my collection. So she is just so cute, so cute. That one over there. And now for the big one, which was a present from my husband for my birthday. So I am 58 now. Yeah, getting up there. Still in my 50s though. So actually I'm going to read the card. They gave me this beautiful, I know, that's the, that is the price of the bag. I think the card might be, oh yes, I did want to unwrap the card. So let's just unwrap the card. It says, to Ada, love from Sophia and the Fendi team. That's the other thing. They always give out these little extras, even a card. It's just, they just, you know, go that extra mile to appreciate their customer base and the individuals that shop there. It says, happy birthday. Dear Ada, Fendi and the entire team from the Brisbane Boutique wishes you a happy birthday. Sincerely, Sophia from Fendi Brisbane. See, just little things like that are just, you know, so nice. Okay, the big one. This was a hard choice. I agonized over this, and I had researched for the last couple of weeks. Sophia had been sending me pictures of bags, texting me pictures of bags, and this was the complete opposite of what I said I did not want. So let's open her and let me explain. So all wrapped up nicely. I think one of the things that most handbag addicts or lovers will agree on is when you shop designer, all the packaging and the way they just wrap things up is just part of the experience. And I just think it makes all the difference to have something that's nicely wrapped, nicely presented. You take it home and it's just the best experience. So here she is. Oh God, drool, just drool. So this is the lighter bags. Can anyone tell me what's the difference between the black bag, which is what I got the little item in, maybe it's the little items, versus this? I'm not too sure. Anyway, let's have a look. So my very first peekaboo. Let's just turn around here. If I can get it it off. My very first Peekaboo. It is the Essentially, and I'm not too sure what this color is. I was looking at the yellow bag in the, is it Celeria? Something like that, leather, which is the more pebbled leather. I was looking at a blue-green bag in this sort of smooth leather, but in the blue-green color. And I had the two yellow, but there was another yellow bag as well. I had the two yellow bags and the green blue bag sitting on the counter, and it had come down to the yellow or the green blue bag. Let's call it the blue bag. And I was standing there, I was having some champagne, and I asked to see another yellow baguette. They didn't quite have the one I wanted. And then, I don't know if it was my husband or someone pointed out a couple of other bags in the window. And I went over and I just grabbed this one. And I just fell in love. I just fell in love with her, and I had to debate because I have two other baguettes in the pink, one in the medium baguette, the other one in the mini. And I thought, no, I don't want a pink bag. I want to get another color, but I just decided for my first Peekaboo, I would go for this beautiful pink color because I love pink, and maybe 6 months time, next year, if yellow's still in, I can get the yellow bag. So that is why I got this one. And I just think, while I love yellow, I think I'll probably get more use out of this. And considering this is a Peekaboo, the Peekaboos are more expensive than the baguettes, that maybe I should get something that was a bit more versatile to wear, you know, with a lot of my outfits. So that was the thinking behind it. But I still have my eye on the yellow bag because I've always wanted a yellow bag, and hopefully when I can afford to get a yellow bag, they're still around. So this is her. I'm really happy with her. I will do a review on her, as you can see inside. I mean, I'm still learning about Fendi as well, Peekaboos. Yeah, so I think I'm really starting to appreciate the Peekaboo bag. I didn't think I was a Peekaboo girl. I've always, or quite a while now, I've always loved the baguette. And I think I'm always a bit late to buying a certain it bag. Let's call them it bags. I mean, I know this one's been quite popular now for a while, but I think for me, I like to think about it, I like to see it on people, and I need to sort of just decide if this is for me. So I took a bit of a time to fall in love with the Peekaboo. But I'm sure that the Peekaboo and I are going to be best friends. So it comes with a strap. Oh, and the other thing I'm really excited about, it's my first raincoat, my handbag that has a raincoat. The baguette doesn't come with a raincoat. So, I mean, that just excites me. So they are my things that I've got from Fendi. I will do more of a review on these, but if there's any questions, leave them down below. But don't forget, everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye.
Want your kisses in the morning light, wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you.
If you like this video, please subscribe, push like, and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget, everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye.